Hi, Debbie here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the WAFE Mini Oven Gloves. Now I'm not sure if that's how you properly pronounce the brand, so if I've got it wrong, please let me know. I was gifted these by a friend as I'd been to dinner at her house and had seen her using them, and I was super impressed. She kindly sent me a pair in the mail, and I've been using them ever since. They're perfect for anyone who loves cooking and baking, but wants to keep their hands safe from the heat. I've used them for handling hot pans, baking trays, which I'll do a wee demo of how to just put your pan in the oven using them, and then out it comes, and it's super easy to take out, and you have such a great grip. They've never let me down. The high quality silicone used in their construction provides excellent insulation and can withstand high temperatures. But best of all, they provide a secure grip and a reliable barrier against heat, preventing any accidental burns. These gloves are also incredibly comfortable to wear and are designed to snugly fit in hands of all sizes. So whether you have large hands like myself or small, these gloves will stay in place, allowing you to manoeuvre with ease in the kitchen. They come in a range of attractive colours. I absolutely love these ones, and are super easy to clean. You just wash them in warm soapy water, and even after multiple uses, they still look as good as new. Plus, they are lightweight and easy to store, making them convenient to have on hand whenever I need them. Now, unlike traditional oven gloves that cover your entire hand, these gloves give you the freedom to use your fingers with precision, whether I'm grabbing a hot pot handle or manoeuvring the baking dish. The finger gripper feature allows me to maintain a firm grip and full control. Having used these numerous times, I can honestly say that I wouldn't go back to traditional oven gloves. Thanks for checking out my review, and I hope you found it helpful.